But I know you can start with the low-hanging fruit and work your way up. A lot of times we don't give ourselves enough credit. So you need to give yourself credit for being responsible. Give yourself credit for taking control of the things you can control. If you can plan something and you can do that something, you can be successful. No matter where you are in life right now, you can be greater. Since everyone is on social media cooking and making recipes, I decided to make my own recipe, but it's a recipe for success. So listen close. Follow this recipe every day, and every day the very quality of your life will get better. And yes, you do need to write this down. So there's 9 ingredients: faith, confidence, purpose, value, hunger, action, accountability, patience, and consistency. You have to use all of these ingredients accordingly, so pay close attention. Here's how you cook up success every day. Step 1, regroup. You gotta put a play together based on your current situation, okay? What's the one thing you can do today to make tomorrow better? Whatever that is, figure it out. That thing on your shoulders can solve any problem it faces. You just gotta put it to use, okay? Use it wisely. That's what it was made for, okay? Now go to step 2. Whatever you came up with in step 1, you gotta represent. You gotta take the action and stand up on your word, okay? And I strongly dislike using cliche terms, but in this case it is appropriate. It's like Nike. You have to just do it, okay? Step 3, results. Take those results, tally them up, okay? Some results you'll be able to see immediately. Some results may take longer, but nevertheless, your actions will be reciprocated, okay? Now pat yourself on the back because you did that. You accomplished something. It was a success. So own those results because they are yours, and use those results by going back to step 1 and do it all over again. Rinse and repeat this process every day. Follow this recipe and you will accomplish anything.